video tonight showing the moment a MARTA train slammed into a truck on the tracks. The collision killing an electrician working in front of the truck. This video of the impact just released after MARTA settled a case with the worker's widow for a whopping $17 million.
CBS 46's Patrick Quinn joins us near an Atlanta MARTA station. And Patrick, this video reveals errors on board the MARTA train in question.
And the attorney that represented the widow of the man who was killed along these tracks, he said this video really represents, yes, errors on board made by the conductor, but he also says this video shows errors along the tracks. Two flaggers could have diverted this train around the construction zone, but didn't. In the end, the attorney really stressed this was not an error of humans, but of the entire MARTA transit system. Rob Smith was working in front of this box truck on the MARTA train tracks when on June 3rd, 2018, a train hits that truck. In another camera, you see passengers on board with their suitcases shake. Smith, a contractor with Cleveland Electric and father of two sons, died from his injuries. His wife, represented by attorney Darrell Champion, just settled with MARTA for $17 million.
It's a sense of relief. It's a sense of closure. It's a sense of that she did get a full measure of justice for her husband's death.
Champion said MARTA felt the pressure with the trial looming. Their defenses hadn't gained any steam. He also said the surveillance video showed a series of errors leading to Rob's death.
So when he presses the button there to move the train forward, the train's moving forward and he's not even looking ahead. And the train hits the truck and the truck hit Rob.
But what Darrell said allowed the settlement number to skyrocket was his case that showed systemic safety failures by MARTA.
This story didn't begin on June 3rd, 2018 when Rob died. It began much earlier than that when MARTA failed to have the proper protocols and procedures in place for training and supervising their employees.
And what does MARTA say about all of this? Well, in terms of the settlement deal, no comment there. And I asked a spokesperson tonight about the claims made by that attorney in terms of the years-long pattern of safety system failures. The spokesperson did not get back to me on that question. Rob Smith would have been 42 on Wednesday. Live in Sandy Springs tonight, Patrick Quinn, CBS 46 News.